Have you ever wondered how glass marbles are made? Well, the process is quite mesmerizing. It all begins in the fiery heart of a furnace, where we gather molten glass on a punty rod. This rod is constantly spun, not unlike a baker rolling dough, to shape the molten glass into a round form. The rotation uses the forces of gravity and centrifugal force, allowing the glass to naturally form a perfect sphere. It's a dance of heat, motion, and skill, a tango between the glassblower and the elements. So we've gathered the molten glass and shaped it into a round form. Now let's move on to the next step. Now comes the fun part, adding color to the glass marble. The magic truly begins when the glassblower rolls the hot glass over tiny shards of colored glass. Imagine the vibrant hues, the subtle shades, all coming together in a dance of fire and artistry. Each shard melts onto the surface of the molten sphere, fusing to become a part of the whole, creating a unique design with every turn. But the process doesn't stop there. Oh no, it's time to turn up the heat again. The artist reheats the glass, preparing it for the next stage. The heat softens the glass, making it malleable and ready to be molded. And then comes the shaping part. The glassblower uses a marble mold to shape the glass, smoothing it into a perfect sphere. Each turn, each press, further refines the shape, giving the marble a form as unique as its color. With color added and the marble shaped, we are ready for the final steps. The final steps in making a glass marble are annealing and cooling. The artistry doesn't end once the marble has taken shape and color. No, for a glass marble to truly come into its own, it needs to endure a process known as annealing. This is where our skilled glassblower takes the freshly formed marble and places it gently into a kiln. But why the kiln, you ask? The marble needs to cool down. And not just cool down, but cool down slowly. This slow, controlled descent in temperature is what we call annealing. It's a crucial step in the marble-making process. Without it, the stress within the glass would not be properly relieved, leading to potential cracks and fractures. So our marble sits in the kiln, gradually cooling, the heat slowly dissipating. This process could take several hours, depending on the size of the marble. It's a waiting game, as much a part of the artistry as the gathering, shaping, and coloring. Once the marble has completely cooled down, the glassblower carefully removes it from the kiln and cuts it off from the punty rod. And there you have it, a beautiful glass marble, each one unique and a testament to the skill of the glassblower.